This is the second full day of work on the Farriss Drive Church of Christ. We've made some movements. One thing I'm real happy about is the fact that John Barnes and his crew have jumped in and patched up the ceiling to where we can get it painted. Mind you, it won't look perfect to the naked eye right now, but after I paint it a darker, flatter color, it will virtually disappear.
Say hi.
Would y'all repeat your names right quick? We're doing a documentary on this.
Sean.
Okay.
And Anthony.
Hi, Sean and Anthony.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Sean and Anthony have been methodically going all the way down to where it looks 100% better already, and I know when they finish, because this one is not as bad as that, but when they finish, then we'll be satisfied, and when it's painted, we'll be real satisfied. What we would like to accomplish tonight is to go ahead and finish putting on the sandstone color. I would like to be able to go around and detail each of the columns and get ready to airbrush and conventional brush paint tomorrow. Hopefully by Saturday we'll be finished with the rock portion of it, and I can start on the outside. But I'm very happy with the way things have been going, and I'm very, very enthusiastic.
And today is November 6th.
November 6th.
2007.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like Mr. Howard has had a really, really long day.
Yes, he has already. I was here at 8:30.